कैसे हो?
कैसे हो everyone? कैसे हो?
कैसे हो?
And do you know anything else other than कैसे हो?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. मुझे भी बहुत अच्छे लगे आप.
Sayambitam.
Oh my God. Yes.
Sugandhin Pushti Vartanam. Varukaliva Bandyanat Vitram Shriman.
Oh my God. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, and today we have Trejong with us.
Acha.
Yeah.
Acha.
So he's from Australia and you're here at Maha event, which is Mahakumbh.
Acha.
Do you know what about you? Do you know what is it? What do you know about this? It's
Amrit.
Your?
This Amrit
Okay.
falling.
Oh yes, he's saying Amrit falling. Oh my God, that is so good.
4 place.
At 4 places. You know that?
Acha.
What is it? What are the 4 places?
What is it?
Hmm.
Haridwar.
Oh my God, that's so nice. And another one? Nasik.
Udaipur.
Oh, Nasik.
Nasik.
Yes. And another one is this Prayagraj.
Prayagraj.
Yeah. And the 4th one? Left. Ujjain. Ujjain. Yes, Ujjain. Yes, yes, yes. So, the most important part is he knows all of them. That is so surprising. I am surprised that you know that.
Acha.
You know, because a lot of our youth, they even don't know about this, but you know it. That is the most beautiful thing. And what actually are you associated with? Are you associated with ISKCON or something?
Bihar School of Yoga.
Bihar School of Yoga. Isn't it ISKCON or no? You have not associated with ISKCON.
No.
Then what actually, which spiritual path you have taken and you know about India? When did you visited India for the first time?
10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Okay.
Okay. At what event you have been here?
Just traveling.
Just traveling. What was the event? Like normally you have traveled?
Yes. I went to ashram.
You have been to an ashram.
In
Whose
Bihar.
ashram is it?
Swami Niranjan Ananda.
Okay, okay. So
Bihar School of
Bihar school.
Munger.
Huh?
Munger.
Munger, alright. So you have been to Bihar, Munger ashram last 10 years back,
Acha.
and then what? And now you're here after 10 years.
Acha.
Yes, you know, acha. What Hindi words do you catch, and what Hindi words you can speak for us?
Tola.
Thora. What is it? I know. But what you can talk in Hindi? Say some words in Hindi.
Kaise ho?
कैसे हो everyone? कैसे हो?
Kaise ho?
And do you know anything else other than कैसे हो?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. मुझे भी बहुत अच्छे लगे आप. And do you know भारत माता की जय? You know भारत माता, हमारा भारत महान. You say that?
Bharat Mata.
हाँ? महान?
Mahan.
Yeah. And Jai Shri Ram, he knows it. He knows everything, guys. Matlab, I am surprised that he knows everything. Like, I didn't know that you know it already. And what God do you know in India? What God do you believe in? And
Shiva, Lord Shiva.
Sri?
Lord Shiva.
Lord Shiva.
Om Namah Shiva.
Om Namah Shivaya. Even I am associated with the Lord, the universe, that universal power. Do you know any mantra? What is that mantra? Hara Hara Mahadev. Okay, what is any mantra you know that you worship to Lord Shiva?
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya, yes. And anything else? If you know it?
Om Sayambitam.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Yes.
Sugandhin Pushti Vartanam. Varukaliva Bandyanat Vitram Shriman.
Oh my God. I am so happy. How did you connect and what actually brought you to the spiritual world?
As
The universe, that one power.
Life.
All right, all right. In Australia, what is your, whom do you worship the most in Australia?
In Australia? What do you mean?
What God do you connect that? What is your religion you call it, or
Jesus.
Jesus
I
Christ?
love Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah. He's also, what I feel so far, they are Jesus Christ and Allah and this Mahadev and, other God or whatever you call it. I think there is only one universe, there is one power. I believe in that.
Okay.
I believe in that, and I think everyone should believe in that. And we should not fight, we should not, there is only one power. Would you like to say anything about that?
There's one.
Yeah, there is one. And I really love meeting you.
Okay.
You like my company?
Okay.
Acha? He's saying acha, acha is so good. You like it?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा. Oh my God, he's talking in Hindi. I'm talking in English just for his convenience, and he's talking in Hindi for my convenience. Oh my God, this is very incredible, isn't it? Don't you think so? Yeah, I feel the same. So tell me any childhood story or anything which is the moment when you are so happy and the saddest moment of your life.
I went Arunachala mountain,
Okay.
South India.
Okay.
Very happy.
Your happiest moment when you have
Visit
visited?
Darshan Arunachala.
Okay, when you have visited and you have the darshan of
Arunachala
Arunachala.
mountain.
Arunachal Pradesh. No, Arunachal.
Tamil Nadu.
Oh, in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu,
Acha.
you have visited
Arunachala
Arunachala.
mountain.
Okay, mountain.
Tiruvannamalai.
Okay. He's saying that you have been to South in India only. So that was the happiest moment of your life?
It was pretty good.
It was pretty good. Okay. And your saddest, anyone which you any deep, if you can, share. What was that? What was it?
Feeling lonely.
When you feel lonely.
That you didn't.
You have a family.
Acha.
You have a family. Consisting of how many members? You're single?
Acha.
You're single.
Okay.
You can say yes. You don't need to say acha acha.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think of India?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Country, beautiful culture.
Okay. And how do you feel of us as an Indian? How do you love Indian people?
Acha, of course. Yes.
It's good.
Yes.
You have met so many. How Indian people treat you?
Very good.
Very good.
Very nice.
Our hospitality. Would you
Friend.
like to say? Huh?
Much friend.
No, you don't need to say in Hindi, but he's doing so much effort in talking in Hindi. He's doing prem, using the word prem. He's saying acha, bahut acha. You are feeling as though that I don't understand or my audience will not. But that is it's our pleasure that you're giving that much of respect and you're just saying it like that. But it is our honor that you respect our culture, you respect, everyone. Our culture has been spreading all over the Vedas. Our Vedas is spreading all over the world. This is our honor and our special thing about it, and I feel so good that everyone is disrespecting and accepting our culture, and you guys are feeling so good about us. This is what we wanted, and I think we are successful in just spreading our culture and Vedas and historical stuff. A lot more to talk about, but currently ending this video. And how do you guys think about it? What do you have opinion about him and my channel? And if you haven't yet subscribed it, do it and hit the bell notification for the latest videos update. We'll see you in another interesting episode of the series Mahakumbh, and do consider my playlist as well. Ask them to subscribe it.
Please subscribe. Acha.
He's saying acha, and I think that is your Really nice meeting you. And with this, we are ending with Om Namah Shivaya, which is my deity and your too. So Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.